Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to change a drill bit. So changing a drill bit is one of the most essential skills that anyone who wants to start a DIY project around the house, or just you working with power tools. So you need to have an understanding of how to change a drill bit. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced DIYer or a woodworker, knowing how to change a drill bit is very important part of your essential work. It can save you so much time and frustration, and can also help you tackle a wide range of projects with ease. So in this video, I'm going to be showing a step-by-step on how to change a drill bit, including tips for selecting the right drill bit for your project, how to remove an old drill bit, and also how to securely attach a new drill bit to your power tools. So if you're ready to learn your new skills, do join me on this journey and let's get started. There's many different kind of drill bits, especially in the market, and it gets so confusing on which one do I select and how does it operate. So when you're using a power drill, there's a few things that you need to take note of, ensure that you are successful in your project. The part of the drill bit that holds the drill bit in place is called a chuck. Inside a chuck, there's 3 different teeth or jaws which can be visible through when you rotate the chuck collar. The teeth or the jaws either open or close depending on the direction in which you are rotating. So that's an important tip to know. Tip number 1, when you're inserting your drill bit, the first thing to note is that you need to make sure that the drill bit is placed in the center between the 3 jaws of the chuck. The larger drill bit may not give you a problem, but however, the smaller drill bits may get stuck between the jaws. So you need to take note of that. So don't panic when this happens. Please just calm down and just correct what you need to correct. When something like this happens, when your drill bit gets stuck outside of the teeth, your drill bit will get tightened, but your drill will not function properly. So don't panic when this happens. I remember when I was starting out, I used to panic and I used to get so confused why I'm not able to drill. So this is something that you need to take note of. Tip number 2, you need to make sure that you turn off the power of your drill, especially if you're starting out. Before you begin changing your drill bit, just make sure that it's unplugged on the power source so that you don't make any mistakes and hurt yourself. Now that you understand how the drill bit is held in place, let's move on to the next section. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to be using 2 different kinds of power drills. There are different kinds of chucks on a power drill. The first one that you need to take note is the keyless chuck. This chuck is commonly found in portable drills, which are normally battery operated. For the keyless chuck, in order to use this, you need to install your drill bit and you must make sure that it's centered properly between the jaws or the teeth. And thereafter, you can turn the collar until you feel that it's tight. The second type of chuck is called the keyed chuck. So this chuck here is mostly found in the larger drill or even the older models of the drills, or even a drill press if you've seen one. So a drill press is normally found in commercial workshops or even home use as well. So those are operated using a key which is similar to this. I'm sure you have seen this key before and don't understand what is the purpose of this. For example, this key is very essential in operating your drill, and you need to make sure that you keep it safe at all times. So to install this, we use the same technique as the keyless chuck. This is exactly how you do it. The best tip that I can give you is that use your key and tighten it all in all the 3 holes that are around your chuck. I know to most people it gets a bit intimidating, especially if you're using a power drill. So please do not be intimidated. Follow the tips and tricks that I share with you so that you can understand that changing a drill bit may seem a bit daunting at first, but with a lot of practice, you get used to it and it becomes also second nature to you as well. So remember to wear your safety goggles and also precaution when you're working with any power tools. And with experience and practice and knowledge and skills that you've gained in this video, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section. What project are you working with? What have you learned so far? Thank you so much for your love and your support. And until next time, cheers. Bye.